Welcome to ARZOPA tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to send photos and videos to your ARZOPA photo frame. After successful matching, please follow the steps below. Click on the lower right corner to upload new photos and videos. Select the photos to upload from the phone album and click Confirm. After a few seconds, the photo will pop up on the frame, and the successful upload sound will play, and the recipient can enjoy your wonderful photo. Besides photos, ARZOPA also lets you send videos, just like uploading photos. Select the video you want to upload in the album. The ARZOPA photo frame can only display videos within 15 seconds. If your video exceeds 15 seconds, you need to adjust it. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to transform photos from your computer to your frame. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.